Welcome to Nuremberg. It's a chilly Tuesday morning. It's -4 degrees. The beanies are on, the scarves are on, and we're off on a day trip around the city. We've made an itinerary to get us to see as much of the city that we can. So we're off. So welcome. So let's go. So we're here in front of St. Lawrence Church, here in the center of Old Town in Nuremberg. It is a magnificent piece of infrastructure. It was built in the 1400s in Gothic style, as you can see behind me. It's so intricate on the building. It's incredible. It was largely damaged in World War II, like a lot of buildings obviously in Germany because of what happened. But it's been restored and it looks glorious. And we're here early in the morning. We're here at like 8 o'clock. The sun hasn't even risen yet. And it's super quiet. There's lots of delivery trucks around and like people starting their day and stuff like that, as you can hear going past me right now. So it's a nice time to come and check out some of the sites of the old town before it gets super busy and packed with tourists. Alright, so Nuremberg. Firstly, why did we come to Nuremberg? No particular reason. It was a stop between Berlin and Munich, and it was either this or Leipzig, and Nuremberg won out because of the Old Town district that we saw photos of. But it's actually been around since the 1000s. I think that's how you say it. That's how long it's been around for. It's home to the country's largest Christmas market. I'm here probably a month too late, so we're not going to see the country's largest Christmas market, but hey, this is where you come if you want to see it. It's also home to Germany's tiniest but most beloved sausage, and it was one of Europe's most important prominent cities in the 1500s. So a really beautiful city, really well laid out and designed, and beautiful old town, and the river running through it and the bridges. It's a really nice town so far. Pretty quiet, but again, it is early in the morning, so let's see how we go. All right, we thought we'd just do a little bit of a stop and a bit of an info dump to be like, hey, what's Nuremberg and why are we here? We've got more to see, so let's go. Oh, and if you're watching, please like, subscribe, do all the things, press all the buttons, do all the notifications. It just helps us get a little bit more visibility to people that like travel and information about places that they might be going to. All right, let's go. So we made it to the top of Nuremberg, to the Kaiserburg Nuremberg, I think that's what it's called, the castle basically at the top of the city. So we're going in there now. We're going to see, apparently there's great views over the city, and already just walking on the path you can see some pretty sweet views over there. So it's a bit of a walk uphill though, but it's a beautiful walk. Like you walk through like just normal streets, suburban streets, apartments and townhouses and like churches and everything. It's a really beautiful city to explore on foot. I don't think we've got any plans today of taking a bus or a tram or anything like that. We're just going to walk and just explore. Plus, that was also very good for the budget because Germany is not Asia. It is not cheap. It is very much, you have to be mindful of every dollar you're spending. So keep that in mind. So the castle doesn't open till 10. We've got about 35 minutes to kill. So, rookie error, check the opening hours before you go places. But that's okay, we're just enjoying the view, which is pretty magnificent. And we're just gonna wait until it opens because we can't not go in and see it because it looks amazing. And you can see behind me, see? So we're just gonna chill out and wait for the next 35 minutes in this negative, I think -2 it is now because the sun is out, slowly warming the world up. Inside the castle, and there's so much information. You walk through the great halls, you walk through the living quarters of the nobility that lived here, then you get an awesome showcase of medieval weapons and armors and all that jazz. Really, really cool. And there is no one else here. It's just us and obviously the security and the museum people that are staffed here. So cool spot. So we are atop the watchtower now, and you get stunning views out over Nuremberg. It's an extra, I think, €2 instead of just the standard ticket. You get the combination ticket for €9, and it gives you access to everything. So we obviously got that because what's €2 in the scheme of life? And the views are awesome. I can't see that. Anyway, I'll show you the views because the views are good from down at the forecourt where you sort of enter, but up here you get so much more. Hey Zaldi.
Yeah.
What's 2 words that you would use to describe here?
Medieval and steeped in history.
My 2 words would probably be historical and thought-provoking, because imagine living in those times. I'm here thinking about the weather, right? That's what I'm thinking about. It's like -3 degrees, -2 degrees, something like that. In the castle, the areas that aren't heated, it's freezing in there. They didn't have heating until a little bit later on. I can't imagine living without our modern conveniences. I don't think I would have survived back then. Alright, it's lunchtime. Time to get in and out of the cold and actually warm up a little bit. We've come to a place called Frittenwerk, which is like a Canadian street food place. But we ordered some currywurst, some chips, some chicken and avocado balls, a drink, and it comes with some sauces. So here, take a look. lunch was amazing. We didn't record us eating it because we've got too many videos of us eating, and when you watch it back, you're like, oh God, I make that face or I sound like that. So,
and we were really hungry.
And we're really hungry, so you're welcome. But the currywurst was
so good.
So good. Chips, amazing. The chicken and avocado balls, amazing. And this drink, Mezzo Mix, I've never heard of it, but I've never been to Germany. And it was great. Happy days. We're just going to chill out here for a bit and like keep warming up because, I mean, it's been -4 today. And then we're going to go and continue our explorations. A big like puddle has frozen over on the grass in this big field in this park, and it's like you're ice skating. That's how cold it is. There's just puddles of freezing. It looks like a little mini lake of just frozen ice in this park. It's so cool. There's this dude like trying to like snowboard or something on it. It's so cool. So slippery. So we managed to find a beach in the center of Germany. I mean, I don't know if I'd swim here, but maybe in the summer when it's really hot and I've got no choice, I might just do that. Sandy, it's on the river. It's actually quite warm at the moment. It's 5 degrees, but the sun is like quite hot. But I suppose it's because I'm wearing like 4 layers, scarf, beanie. I did have gloves, but my hands have unfrozen, so none of that. But we're just taking a break out, just sitting here by the water on the sand. Zaldi is researching some more things to do, and I'm just like filming this. There's something weird going on the other side of the river though. There's like a couple of like fire engines, like crowds of people. I don't know what's happening, but I'm so curious, I want to know. But it's too far to walk around and see. So maybe I'll read the news to see what happens. Alright, I don't know what we're doing next, but we'll keep you updated. Truly a full day here in Nuremberg. We've just come from the Neues Museum, so you would have seen some footage in there. Contemporary, modern art, sculptures, things like that. And now we are on to the Street of Human Rights. And that is the last thing we're doing today. We will go and grab some dinner after that. We're going to try and eat something German and go to the hotel and sleep. Because tomorrow we are going to Munich for city number 3 in Germany. Alright, let's go.